Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. This is video number 12, module number 1. In previous class, we have seen the various steps or marketing research process. Today, we shall see the benefits of marketing research or market research to the management. How marketing research is beneficial to the management, those few of the points we shall see today. In that, first point is make well informed decisions. The growth of an organization many a times depends on the way decisions have been taken, or they make the various techniques how they use, or the information how much they have. All these aspects help the management to take decision. Therefore, market research or marketing research carries out a research over the available information, and with the available resources a ground study is being prepared, and that ground study will help the management to make well informed decisions, and these decisions will change the success or failure of the organization. Therefore, on the basis of the techniques or information available, the management can take decisions. The knowledge and experience of marketing research can be used for decision making and understanding the recent trends, recent taste of the customer, and the requirement of the customer with the help of market research, and this will benefit the management in decision making. Second point is gain accurate information. As we have discussed, information is very much essential for decision making, but the trustworthy or accurate information is very essential. This accurate or trustworthy information will be gained through market research. Market research provides real and accurate information that will help the organization to make a proper future decision. In case this information is not accurate, or say it is a wrong information, then it may lead to the failure of the organization. So here trustworthy or accurate information is essential, and this is done by investigating the market and interacting with the customers and providing a basic and accurate information to the management for decision making. Third point of benefits is determine the market size. It is very much essential to identify what is the size of the market, how much market share we can acquire, or how many customers we can acquire. All this information is very much essential for marketing decision makers. Therefore, a researcher can evaluate the size of the market, the most covered in case of selling a product service in order to make profits. So here market research provides the information related to the size of the market for decision making, and for considering that size and preparing the marketing plans for their own products. And this size and market share and other things can be find out with the help of market research. So this is another benefit to the management. The next benefit of market research to the management is choose an appropriate sales system. The sales system is very important for the success of an organization. So as per the survey, or as per the information provided by market research, the management can decide the appropriate sales system to be adopted. Because sales or selecting a sales system will decide the fate of the product or the organization. The available product, the position, the competitors move, all these things are very much essential, and this information will be provided by market research, and based upon that the appropriate sales system can be decided by the management. The next point is learn about customer preferences. Every organization tries to find out what are the customer's requirement, the taste of the customer, the recent trend, the habits, the satisfaction level what the customer gets. All these things play very important role to each and every organization. So to get these informations, market research conducts surveys, conducts research, and based upon that the information is being provided to the management, and based on that the management can decide or make changes in their product, their size, the packaging, the contents, etc., etc. So all these changes can be done with the help of available information which we can get from market research. And this information will help us to know about the preferences of the customer, taste of the customer, recent trend in the market, and all the information available. Based upon that we can decide the plannings for our products. The next point of benefit to the management is gather details about customer perception about the brand. Many brands will be available in the market, and those brands need to be studied. What are the customers say perceptions? All this information is essential. So in addition to gathering information, market research helps a researcher in understanding how the customers perceive the organization or the brand. So this information is gathered with the help of market research, and this will be beneficial to the management. The next point of benefits to the management is analyze customer communication methods. Now we have the best product, we have packed it properly, we have priced very beautifully, affordable prices, and our product is the number one. But it depends on how we communicate our product to the customers. If we fail to communicate the product in a proper way, our product may be out of the market. Therefore, market research serves as a guide for communication with current and potential clients. Reaching the proper customers or communicating them in a proper way is very much essential. This can be done with the help of market research. Then lastly, productive business investment. It is a great investment for any business because thanks to it they get invaluable information. It shows researchers the way to know or to take the right path and achieve the sales that are required. So all these depends upon how we invest our money, how we invest our time, how we invest our ideas. All this information or all these things play a very important role in management decisions. So these are the benefits of market research to the management. With this, our first module is finished. Notes I am sending you all. You all can write down those notes and prepare a separate book for those notes of marketing management. With this, we shall stop here. If you have any doubts, questions related to full module, that is first module, you can contact me at any point of time. I will be happy to help you all and will clear the doubts. Thank you. Good day.